Hi, welcome back to my channel. So it is kind of late, but I like made nachos and then I didn't feel like eating it. It was a struggle. I think I'm just like not as hungry, but like what am I gonna do with the nachos? So I have some can't even think right now. I wanted to add this cheese sauce to it and see how it turns out. So we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna add a little bit in this bowl. I'm gonna save some for my noodles because I like have a bunch of noodles left. I threw my nachos in the that was my water, in the oven too long, and I don't know, you guys. Oh, that's hot. Let's add some of the meat inside of it. We're just experimenting right now because I want to. Actually like was gonna eat and then like I got stuck doing so many things. I was like feeding the dog, and then it is like 30 minutes worth of I'm just doing hella crap, like feeding the dogs, and then I was washing dishes, and then got the kids in the bath. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw this meat on here. I didn't grab any lettuce or anything, but nervous. So I threw my, let's try it. Oh my gosh, my Jesus. I like left it in there way too long. I got stuck watching YouTube. That's good. The meat came out really good. Okay, I said I want to eat this, but this is bomb. I'm freaking surprised. Oh my gosh. I really wanted a Coke. But we didn't have any. We drank it all yesterday, 2 days ago. Wow. It would have been so much better if my lazy ass didn't get up. I mean, sit there longer. Mmm. You guys need to try this. This is so good, I can't even talk right now. I freaking love spicy food. Mmm. So I was like nervous this wasn't gonna be good, but the perfect bite. I don't even know if I said hi. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry. Took forever to set up. The way I have my camera, it is so hard to put it back like the way it is all the time. Like, you guys don't even understand. But yeah. Leaving the cheese in there really jacked up my chips. The sauce is bomb. Samyeon. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You guys should make sauce where you just sell the sauce by itself without the noodles, because that sauce is so bomb. All of your sauces, besides maybe the fire one or the mala one, those two I probably wouldn't buy. But the other three, I would totally buy the sauce separately and like carry it in my bag everywhere I go and just add it to my food because it's hella bomb. Just saying. Just saying. The meat's good. Because I tried it on chow mein. Bomb. On these nachos. Bomb. Anyways, if you guys want to try this recipe, try it. It's so bomb. Just don't leave your chips in the oven like way too long like I did, because then it's like really hard to chew. It's like really tough. But this came out really good. So try it and let me know. And sorry if I didn't say like what's up in the beginning of the video. I don't even remember. But I hope you guys enjoyed this eating video, even though I just like literally sat here and like stuffed my face. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time. And I love you guys. Bye, loves. Bye. Peace.